Ecash coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about XEC coin, guys. XEC coin, Ecash coin is completely going positive in the market, and I think that is good news video for all of you. Very congratulations to all Ecash coin holders. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price update of Ecash coin, that what's going on, what's the price changes occur. Let me show you. And guys, if you're new, so please subscribe channel for more videos. Now guys, the current price of Ecash coin in the market is about 0.000192 USD dollar. That is the current price of Ecash coin. Other side, if you talk about the changes update of Ecash coin, so positive 1.67% changes occur in the Ecash coin. Absolutely, the changes of Ecash coin is going positive in the market, and I really love see these positive changes. Absolutely, you know what, after a long time again Ecash coin changes is going positive, so that's a really good news for me, guys, and also for Ecash coin holders. So very congratulations. Let me show you the price statistic. You can see, guys, obviously the price have to pump because you can see trading volume is also going positive 270%. You can see trading volume positive, so that's mean that people investing more and more in the Ecash coin, so that's why it's profitable coin, guys. Ready, let me show you the price chart. Absolutely, price chart is going huge profit. Just look here in the latest today price chart, you found green, so that's mean that now they start pumping, so that's why I recommend that it's time to only hold. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.